4. Investing is the only way to prevent inflation from devaluing what you own. According to the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, current prices are 212% higher than average prices in 1980. Thus, the US dollar has experienced an average inflation of 2.96% per year over the past 40 years. The real value of the US dollar has declined steadily since 1980. An American must therefore have $312 in his possession in order for his buying power in 2019 to be equivalent to his buying power of $100 in 1980. In other words, the US dollar of 2019 lets you buy less things than the US dollar of 1980. Rich people understood that there was no guarantee that one United States dollar of the present is equal to one United States dollar of the future. In order to fight inflation and preserve what they own, rich people are going to resort massively to investment. Rich people invest in the stock market, real estate or gold. In short, they diversify their investments to limit risk and preserve what they own. In most cases, they even make wise investments that allow them to outperform inflation and thus earn money over time. Investing is a must if you want to get rich someday. 5.